Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say.
What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm here with Julia Hair, and I'm going to start by showing you guys everything in the package. This is the actual wig straight out of the package. It's a ginger color. I think it came with a little bit of curls. I want to say body wave, but I don't think it's actually body wave. The hair is super soft and it has a lot of body. The lace is actually HD lace, which is a plus. I've already removed the comb from the inside of the wig. And yeah, that's about it. So inside of the bag, they gave me some lashes, a set of clamps, and they also gave a headscarf. I thought the wig would look better if we dyed it black and add like a color patch at the back, so that's what we did. We colored it black with like a violet patch in the back, and now it's time for the install. I'm gonna go straight into positioning the wig. When you're positioning the wig, you want to make sure the hairline on the lace is covering the cap on both sides, and allow your client to hold both sides as you position the wig. Now that the wig is in position, you can pull the hairline, well actually the lace back, and start applying the adhesive. I applied 3 to 4 layers, and I applied them directly on top of each other without letting them dry clear before applying the next. And I use my fingers to smooth because I find that I have better control.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby.
After you've applied all of the layers, you can blow dry on cool. It's optional, it helps the glue dry faster. When you're laying the lace, all you have to do is lay it directly where you pulled it back from. So you just want to pull and place on top of the glue. And you can use your comb as you're placing just to make sure the lace sticks.
You go, now you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon.
After I lay the lace, I like to blow dry the hairline on cool until the hairline is completely dry. After the hairline is dry, I'm going to remove the excess lace using my small scissors, and I'm not going to cut in a straight line. I'm going to be cutting in a zigzag, jagged, whatever you want to call it, line. So all of the lace didn't get glued down, so now I'm going to go in with my tail end comb and add glue under the pieces that did not get laid, allow them to dry clear, and press them into the skin. Once the glue is dry, you can use your comb and press the lace into the skin, and I promise you it's going to be laid. You must allow the glue to dry clear before you press it into the skin. Now that everything is laid, you can start by parting off the sideburns and use the top of the ear as a guide so you won't make the sideburns too low. So we're going for a middle part. I love to make the part before I do the baby hairs, before I section off the baby hairs. And as you guys can see, I use the center of the lip as a guide so I can make sure the part is directly in the middle. After you make the part, you can use the hot comb to press the hair just to flatten the top a little bit. Don't forget you can use your wax stick. It's really good with laying down flyaways in the hair. Next, you can go ahead and section off the baby hairs. I'm only going to do like one natural baby hair on each side, including the sideburn, because we want to keep it like a natural look. I love the middle hairs, I love the middle parts with like natural baby hairs. So now that I have the baby hairs and my sideburn section off, I'm going to tie down her lace using the Semone band. It allows the lace to melt into the skin more. I left the band on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and as you guys can see, it made a huge difference. Next, I'm going to go into perfecting the part. I'm going to use a scalp light color out of my Ruby Kisses palette to apply on her part just to make it look more natural, and as you guys can see, it's actually changing as I apply it on the part. After I applied the makeup on the part, I used my color brush, which is in the color black, to outline the part. I find that it works way better than black spray because black spray gives you that super straight line, but this allows your part to stay a bit natural. After the part you're gonna need to comb out the baby hairs. I forgot to tell you guys, I do spray the lace with the soft spritz before I tie the elastic band down, so the baby hairs may be a little hard for product. Razor comb to cut your baby hairs, I find that it's more natural and it won't give you any blunt or harsh lines. I'm gonna use my 1/2 inch flat iron from the brand Red to curl my baby hairs. I'm just gonna curl it under. The baby hairs are curled, we can go straight into styling them. I like to use this small pink brush. I use the comb side and the brush side, and I spray the actual comb and brush with Got To Be glue spray before I start styling them. And as you guys can see, I just brush and play with them, add little flips until I get them to my liking, okay?
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.
So as you guys can see, they turned out so cute and they look so natural. Like, I love those kind of baby hairs. I'm sorry. Now that everything else is basically complete, I like to blow dry the hair straight before I get into styling it, just because it works best if you want to add soft layers. You know, the hair is already a little straight. Now I'm gonna start adding some soft layers to the hair using my razor comb. I got this razor comb from a local hair store. I'm sure everybody's seen this razor comb before. And as you guys can see, I have no certain way that I'm doing this. I'm just going through and I'm just kind of razoring the bottom just so it won't be too short, but it'll have that layered look.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather.
Before starting the style, which is the curls, I like to spray the hair all over with my Fantasia heat protecting spray, which is a really good spray. And then we're gonna go into the curls, and I'm gonna be using my 1.5 inch iron curlers from Sally Beauty. And now I'm just gonna curl the hair all over.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 deep.
Now that I'm done curling it, I'm gonna go straight into styling the hair out. I'm using a wide tooth comb, and actually I haven't done like curls like this in a while, so let's see what this brings. So this is the finished look. I actually love this look. It looks super natural. The hair is full still, by the way. The layers came out really nice, and you really can't tell that this is a lace. So the lace melted right into her skin, and the hair colored good as well. I would definitely suggest this wig, maybe 5 stars for sure. It didn't give me really any problems. Being said, Julia sent me a bomb wig, and you know we killed this look. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video so you can follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you guys for tuning in into another video with me. Be sure to follow my hair page on Instagram, which is at Marshella Semone Hair, my TikTok at Marshella Semone, and subscribe to my channel at Marshella Semone and hit that notification bell so you can get an update every time I drop a video.